Greetings friends, it's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I'm dancing my paintbrush over some orange dahlias, and mostly in bud. I was having fun with this color scheme. It's got a lot of yellow, orange, gold, and pink, and a little green, of course. So I start one petal at a time, adding lots of water and a little base color. Naturally, it's going to get lighter as it dries. That always happens with watercolor, and so I will need to put another layer of color as soon as this dries. I'm using 9 by 12 140-pound watercolor paper that I buy in a tablet. These are some more flowers that are going to go in those royalty sites that I have. There's Redbubble, Inktails, Zazzle, and Society 6. They make lovely tote bags and stickers, covers on little notebooks, and covers on iPhones and iPads, etc. If you're into that kind of thing. I love flowers. I love them on all of my accessories. I think Redbubble even prints them on t-shirts and dresses and yoga pants, which is interesting. Naturally, I've sped this up because it took several hours for me to complete in several stages, and I wouldn't want to put you through all of that. I've been doing some research this week on some fairy tales for another fairy tale alphabet book, and I'm intrigued by some of the ones from China and Africa. Lovely animal stories from South America, giving the origin of things like how a tiger got his stripes, and how the rabbit got his speed, and things like that. Reminds me of Watership Down. I love that story. I'm using kind of a burgundy color for some of these deep shadows. And when I want them to get very dark, I actually add green to my pink and orange to give me some almost gray undertones in the shadows. So now it's time to put in these teeny little veins. It really adds to flowers when you add the detail of veins in this broken line effect. You don't want the lines to be absolutely perfect. You want them to look rather broken and just dark enough to be visible, but not dark enough to be overpowering. So I'm using basically the same color that the petal was painted in, either pink or orange, and just lightly dragging my brush, my fine brush, over where I think the lines should be. I do have a photo reference, and that helps a lot. This is my idea of a fun time. I love painting. I love doing artwork. I could lose hours in front of my art table. I'm doing much better this week with my new contact lenses, able to judge distance a bit better, and really getting used to the monovision, one corrected for close-up, one corrected for distance. It's different, but it's doable. And here's my finished painting, cropped and ready for Society 6. So I hope you enjoyed watching me paint it. Thanks so much for coming by and spending time with me. I hope you subscribe and come again and check out some of my links below. Bye now.